When 1 hour and 4 hour aligned at the same support and resistance, there's a tendency that the price is gonna fall or rise. Okay. So but before, let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. Let's go back to the 4 hour time frame so you could see exactly what I'm trying to say here. So you could see from the 4 hour time frame, the trend is a downtrend, okay? And this is a selling candle over here, okay? So you can see from the 4 hours time frame, the trend is a downtrend. So if I go over to the 15 minutes or the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the trend also is a downtrend. Okay, so you see the price aligned at the same support and resistance. Okay, at 102735.99. So let's go over to, you can see at 102735.99 at the same resistance, and price started falling at these values. Okay, you can see a downtrend. I combined it with other sets of what indicator, other sets of support and resistance indicator, okay, to better fit my entry. So now I don't enter until I confirm that the other indicator has also created a support which aligned with my own or script. So this gives me profitability. This gives me good assurance that the trade is awesome trade. Okay, and if you see, the middle line is based on risk to reward ratio. So the middle line is based on risk to reward ratio. Okay, so you can adjust your risk to reward ratio whatever you want to adjust it. So let's go back to the script. So you can see support and resistance with RR, which is risk to reward ratio. You can, I like using look back period of 20. So you can adjust your look back period to your certain levels you want to adjust it. Okay, the trend line width. Okay, so the support and resistance are based on trend, so you can also increase the width. Okay, you can see you can increase the width. Okay, you can increase the width of the support and resistance. Okay, the uptrend color is green, the downtrend color what is red, so you can adjust the color. The middle line, the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so if I go 1:1 risk to reward ratio, you can see 2:1:2, 1:3, 2:1. So you can see all base, but I love using the 1:0 risk to reward ratio. Okay. Yeah, because it's better, it's better because price when price creates a resistance or a support, price tends to hit the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so so now I'm gonna teach you how to trade it. Okay, now if price creates a resistance from this first indicator and also create a resistance from the script, is an alternative for you to enter the trade and pull out at the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to this overview of the script. Okay, so you could get what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So this script identifies key support and resistance levels on the chart by analyzing swing highs and lows from two time frames. Okay, the lower time frame and the higher time frame. So the script analyze swing highs and lows when they both aligned at the same was support and resistance, the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Additionally, it calculates a middle line, a middle level based on risk to reward ratio, helping users identify optimal entry and exit points for their what trades. How to use this script: understand support and resistance levels. Okay, the support line is green, represents a levels where the price historical bounce upwards and buying interest. Okay, resistance line red represents a price level where the market historical revised downwards selling well pressure. Sorry. Now, these levels are automatically drawn, providing a roadmap for where price is likely to react. Okay, the middle line for risk to reward ratio. The blue middle line is calculated between the support and resistance level using your choosing risk to reward ratio. Like I explained earlier, you can choose your risk to reward ratio. Okay, this is crucial for defining profit target and risk management. For example, if you buy near support, the middle line can be your first target. Okay. Now, risk management helps you decide if the trade setup offers a good reward compared to what the risk. So you can see, guys, this script is awesome. Now look for trade opportunities. Buy near support and sell near resistance. When the price approaches the green support line and shows a reversal, bullish candlesticks pattern like hammer or engulfing candle. Okay. Sell near resistance. When the price nears the red resistance line and shows a reversal, bullish pattern like a shooting star or engulfing one candle. Okay, take partial profit around the middle line if the price moves in your words favor. Align with time frames. Lower time frame 1 hour provides precise precision for what entries. Higher time frame confirms the broader market trend. If both time frames align, it increases the likelihood of what success. Ensure that the support or resistance level on one time frame isn't invalidated by a conflicting signal on another time frame. So you have to confirm, like I said, that if I go over, you have to confirm. You can see the 4 hour created a resistance, and also the 1 hour also created what a resistance and a resistance of the same words values. Okay. So if I go over to the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the 4 hour time frame did not create any support here. The support, okay, but the 1 hour time frame created a support here for me. So I won't trade this trade. Okay, this is not a good trade for, this is not a good entry. A good entry shows when 1 hour and 4 hours time frame aligned and created the same word support. So this is an opportunity that price is gonna test the words middle risk to reward words ratios. So what I do is this: when you want to observe how the trade at the risk to reward ratio updates, it updates whenever there is a change of resistance or support. Okay, whenever there is a change of resistance or support from the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame. So let's go over to this practical trading strategy. Okay, now entering rules for buys. Wait for price to approach the support green line. Look for confirmation like the bullish candlestick or an oversold RSI stochastic what indicator. For sale, wait for the price to approach the resistance line. Look for confirmations, okay? Stop loss placement. Place your stop loss just below the support levels for buys or above the resistance level for what? Sells. Use the script to restore the reward ratio to calculate whether the trade has a favorable risk to reward was set up. Take profit placement. Use the middle line as your first target for a conservative exit. Okay, use the opposite level resistance for buy, support for sell for more aggressive words target. Okay, and the script also has an alert that you can set to notify you when price is near support and resistance or middle level to avoid missing keywords setup. Now, the key to profitability is this: trade in line with the trend. Trade in line with the trend. Use the 4 hour time frame to identify the overall market trend. Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? Okay. Only take trades that align with the trend for higher success rates. Okay. Example: in an uptrend, prioritize buy setups near support. In a downtrend, prioritize sell setup near what? Resistance. So now let's go over to this now. Now, if you see, if I click on my 4 hours time frame, price created a resistance for me at this point because I am looking at the 4 hours worth time frame. Okay, because since the alignment is based on the 1 hour and the 4 hours time frame, I am looking at the 4 hours time frame. So I am not looking at the 1 hour time frame. Like I say, in the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price created its support, but the 4 hours time frame, price did not create any support here. Okay, but my script said that it is at 91271.19. You can see that the support did not align. This is 91187. So you can see that the support did not align with what the 4 hours worth time frame. So I'm not trading these pullbacks. Okay. So, but when it aligns from the 4 hours, like the resistance at 99, then the 1 hour to at 99, and also price created a support, a resistance, I mean, for me, from the other indicator, and I also confirm from the 4 hours one. The price also created a resistance and confirmed from my script that they both aligned at the same support and resistance levels. Okay, you can see that the script shows a downtrend. Okay, so now for better confirmation, I have confirmed that the 4 hours has created a resistance. I'll bypass the 1 hour. Okay, so when the 1 hour also shows first the resistance, I'll wait for the 4 hours to create a resistance for me. Okay, and then I'll be putting at my risk to reward ratio of what 97003.59 under the 4 hours risk to reward ratio. Okay, base my entry on the 15 minutes worth time frame. Okay, so I'm basing my entries on the 15 minutes worth time frame. So you can see that I will enter my entry on the 15 minutes worth time frame. So let's go over. So you can see, guys, that be patient with the entries. Let the price come to your identified level, support, resistance, or media. Avoid chasing trades in the middle of nowhere. Okay, avoid chasing trades in the middle of what nowhere. You have to be patient with your what entrance. You have to be patient with your trade, with your setup. Okay, allow the trade to get to you. Don't chase after trades. Allow them to get to you. Okay. You can also use confirmation tools like the RSI, the MACD, or moving averages to confirm what entries. Okay, to confirm what entries. Risk management, always stick to your risk to reward what ratio. Avoid trades where the potential reward isn't at least two times the what risk. Okay. Limit exposure to a small percentage of your account balance per trade. Maybe you can risk a 1% to 2%. Okay. So guys, this script is awesome, guys. I have explained how you could use support and resistance in trading. If you are this type of a trader that don't use indicators, okay? Now these indicators only help you to reduce stress of what drawing of trend lines, support and resistance for you. Okay, so guys, so I just explained everything, okay, to you guys. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share, okay? See you guys, have fun, and also happy weekend and forthcoming holiday.